Namaste. I'm Kavita Gurung and I'm the current program director at Amics del Nepal, Kathmandu. I joined Amics del Nepal since 3 years ago, and looking back, I'm very grateful I made that decision. Talking a bit about my academic background, I did my master's in service management and marketing from Kingston University, London, and ever since I have been involved in social work and educational development projects for the past 8 years. What I like most about Amics is that besides its educational, health and community development projects, is its need to focus on continuous human development. While aiming to improve the lives of so many of our beneficiaries, we also run a very rigorous program of staff development at the Activity Center. All of our staff and interns currently working at the center are past beneficiaries of Amics del Nepal, and it is with immense pride and gratitude that I am able to witness them become empowered and support and run the organization on a daily level. This truly rings of sustainability to me, a word that has become so cliched by now in the developing world. And I believe that it is with this focus, integrity and commitment that Amics del Nepal can contribute, if not largely, then deeply, and create meaningful changes in the lives of so many marginalized communities in Nepal.
Namaste, my name is Pramod Giri. I am a BBA graduate from Purvanchal University and I am a staff here in Amics del Nepal, Kathmandu. My journey with Amics began long before I started working here, as I was one of the beneficiaries for more than 12 years. I grew up in Amor Children's Home, which is Mahendranagar, Nepal. It is about 700 km in distance from an activity center in Kathmandu. Amor Children's Home is one of the homes supported by Amics del Nepal for many years. Amics not only supports these homes through financial mediums, but also through yearly events and educational workshops in order to ensure the holistic development of the children living there. Then in 2015, after completing my higher studies, I came to Kathmandu for my bachelor studies, and also at the same time I joined Amics del Nepal as an assistant for the activity center, where I facilitate some children classes and youth classes, and also I learned accounting, and since then I have been working here, and now I am a children program manager and finance coordinator. As now I have already completed my BBA, so I am also planning to pursue my master degree in near future.
Namaste, my name is Eliza Bike. I am currently studying business in grade 11. I am one of the beneficiaries of Amics Youth Program. I have also joined Amics as an intern recently in order to learn and grow more.
Namaste, my name is Rohit Gurung, currently working as a youth program manager at Amics del Nepal, Kathmandu. I was one of the beneficiaries of Amics del Nepal for 11 years. Amics del Nepal supported my education for 9 years under children program and 2 years under youth program. During the youth program, I got to explore about experiential learning and project-based learning, through which I developed my sustainable life skills. At the same time, I got an opportunity to work as an intern under youth program. It's been 5 years that I'm developing along with Amics del Nepal and creating a sound action plan for myself too. I'm currently in my last year of Bachelor's of Artwork with Psychology as a major subject, and I want to pursue Masters after graduation. At the same time, I also look forward to further develop along with the organization, as I love what I'm doing and my ambition of community development matches with the organizational goal.
I am the one of the beneficiaries of the youth program since my childhood. It has supported me a lot. Now I have got an opportunity to work as an intern in youth program. In this time, I want to improve my communication skill more, learn IT skills, and build in more confidence with me.
Namaste, my name is Roger Kumar Singh. I am 21 years old. I work as a media person in Amics del Nepal. Bimidi Bal Mandir was a childhood home. I spent 14 years there. I feel really blessed to have become a part of it. There are many wonderful memories of mine. It has been home to more than 150 children. After completing my grade 10, I came to Kathmandu and I joined youth program in Amics del Nepal. With the support of Amics del Nepal, I completed my higher education +2. I have always been fascinated by video editing and I have always wanted to learn and study more about it. With the help of Amics del Nepal, Ruta 6 and Creative Nepal, I was able to pursue a diploma in film editing.
Namaste, my name is Asmita Bujel. I was one of the beneficiaries of Amics del Nepal under Children and Youth Program for the past 13 years. With the continuous support of Amics del Nepal, I was able to complete my higher secondary education and I am very grateful for this. Now I am in the third year of my bachelor study in social work. Also currently I am working as a women program manager in Amics del Nepal. After completing my secondary level education, I also started doing internship in Amics del Nepal under Women Literacy Project. Talking about my journey with Amics del Nepal, it has been 5 years since I started working. In these 5 years, I have developed various skills such as organizational skills, IT skills, and communication skills. More than that, I have grown up into a youth who is more responsible towards the society with the essence of caring.
नमस्कार, मेरो नाम शारदा चित्रकार हो। म आमिसमा काम गरेको 17 वर्ष भइसक्यो र म यहाँ काम गर्दा धेरै खुसी पनि छु र रमाइलो पनि लाग्छ मलाई। म यहाँ काम गरेको 17 वर्ष भइसक्यो र मैले यहाँ काम गर्दा नानीहरू धेरै सानो सानो नानीहरू थियो र उहाँहरूलाई मैले खाजाहरू बनाएर खुवाउँथे र अनि नानीहरू पढेर अहिले उहाँहरूले ब्याचलरबाट नि माथि गइसक्नु भएर त्यो नानीहरू यहीँ काम गर्नुहुन्छ। उहाँ नानीहरूसँग मलाई काम गर्न धेरै खुसी लागेको छ र उहाँहरूले पनि मलाई धेरै माया गर्नुहुन्छ, म पनि उहाँहरूलाई धेरै माया गर्छु। म यहाँ काम गर्दा धेरै खुसी छु र मलाई मेरो घरको परिवार जस्तै लाग्छ र मेरो घर जस्तै लाग्छ। त्यहाँबाट म आमिस हुन्जेलसम्म म काम गर्न चाहन्छु र त्यहाँ उहाँहरूलाई पनि सहयोग गर्न चाहन्छु।